Holywood, Dumfriesshire, the 26th of April 2024. My regular viewers will have seen my recent postings about the deplorable condition of the gates here at Scotland's last wheel-operated level crossing. Their condition had deteriorated to such an extent that a 20-mile-per-hour speed limit had to be imposed on all southbound trains. This morning I received a note from one of my correspondents to say that work had been carried out on the gates. So I dropped everything, grabbed camera, tripod and drone, and headed for this peaceful little rural backwater to see for myself. It's immediately apparent that the rotten crossbars have been replaced and the woodwork cleaned up and repainted. But even from the air, it's clear that the gates are still not closing properly. In the far distance, the 1113 from Glasgow Central to Carlisle can be seen travelling across the flat plain of the Dalswinton estate as it approaches the Portrack Viaduct over the River Nith. At this point it will be travelling at full line speed, but as soon as it crosses the river it will have to start to brake for the restriction in force at Holywood. Our view of the line is blocked by the trees as the train follows the river towards Dumfries, with a distant view of the Solway Firth and the Cumbrian mountains beyond. The northbound train is scheduled to pass just 3 minutes after the southbound, but it's running a couple of minutes late. A van arrives at the crossing, so the signalman opens the gates for it. The van driver appears to have other plans, however. Confusion ensues. Sadly, we see all too clearly that the gates don't close properly. They fail to engage with the locking shoes on the ground, so presumably the 20-mile-per-hour restriction will remain in force. Will the necessary engineering work be done? Let's wait and see. From a rural Dumfriesshire, thanks for watching, and here's to the next time.